Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yeah, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice way. Even when you feel low, you can still go.
Prior installation of wooden doors, be sure carpet tiles, 60 by 60 centimeters, must be completed at all doors area. Prior installation of door frames, ensure the clear dimensions of both width and height of structural openings are more than the outer clear dimensions of the door frames, at least 5 mm gap for each side, if subframe not applicable, for alignment purposes. After checking both vertical and horizontal dimensions, then proceed installation of the door frames considering the alignments for both vertical and horizontal sides.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
After the door frames installed, proceed installation of smart wooden doors, considering alignments and equal gaps for both sides.
You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why I say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more.
All gaps between walls and door frames will be filled with spray PU foam after the smart wooden doors installation, considering the alignments for both sides.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 low, you can still go. Go, go, slow, you can still go. Go, there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer, no, no, I still go.
Okay. This is the emergency card. Okay. Keep it safe. Reset card, delete everything that you make. Delete all cards.
It's important, huh? Important.
Yeah, just important to keep it safe. So this is program card. Each person gets 2 cards. Program card, keep it safe. Each person gets 2 cards. 1 card you give it to the person. The other card you keep it safe. If you lose this 1 card, then you can use the other backup card to delete this card that was lost. Program is very easy. Program card, approach, code red, green, flash it, yes. Now 1 card, TP, second card, done. Now I keep this safe. For armor, 2 cards. 1 card I keep safe, 1 card I keep armor. Yeah, and now if I use armor card.
Okay, now that.
Now it goes locked.
Okay, open.
Lock.
Okay.
Okay, I I write on this part Arnold.
Yeah.
So I know.
Okay. Okay, sir. Now it's already, we already make
For me, 2 cards. For you, 2 cards.
yeah. So I have 2 cards and 2 cards for Martin. Now the door is already programmed and already locked. So we can lock now. You see? Open now. Open. Open. Okay. Open. Yeah. Now open. Now lock. 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 Okay. Now lock. So now it's set. So you can proceed to tell Althea that this room is already in secured. So nobody will come in there. Only me and Martin. And the post not working. Only the card now. Yeah.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.